Hey you guys, welcome back to another Cooking with CJ tutorial brought to you by the Suffolk Center for Cultural Arts. CJ is taking a little break, so I'm going to step in and show you guys how to make homemade almond milk. And then at the end of the video, I'm going to show you guys how to use your almond milk to make a cool, healthy milkshake. Alright guys, let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, we are going to need almonds, dates, vanilla bean or vanilla extract, 1 cup for measuring, and cheesecloth that's sitting on a strainer and a bowl. And of course, your blender. Place 1 cup of almonds inside of your blender. Add 4 cups of water to your blender. Add 2 dates or sweetener of your choice. Blend together for 1.5 minutes or until almonds are completely crushed. Pour almond milk into the cheesecloth that is sitting inside of your strainer and bowl. Squeeze out the extra milk from the cheesecloth. Then you're just going to pour into a glass jar. And then you can just store it inside of the refrigerator. Let's use our almond milk to make a healthy and dairy-free milkshake. You'll need an unsweetened chocolate bar, peanut butter, frozen bananas, sweetener of your choice, and some almond milk. And of course your blender. Add frozen banana to your blender, and then you're going to need 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. Add 1.5 cups of almond milk. Add a piece of your unsweetened chocolate bar. Add 1 tablespoon of sweetener. Then you're going to blend together until smooth. Pour into a jar or a cup, and you are all done. Enjoy, you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. See you next time.